Hello friends, once again this is me Anand personality. Today I'm going to share some leaks, rumors, specification and price about Nokia X 2021. Let's start, but firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming interesting videos notifications. After knowing viral news of a Nokia flagship smartphones, every people who love Nokia mobiles, they are searching for the exact release date of Nokia X 2021. But we are sorry to inform you that there is no official release date available for this smartphone. The expected release date of a Nokia X 2021 is 17th September 2021, or it's may late to release for features update or company issues. The Nokia upcoming smartphone X 2021 comes with 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touch screen display with protested by covering Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Good news for the Nokia X 2021 mobile lovers. This phone used display resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixel. In display section, this mobile are used always on display, which is very helpful for an active user. After brief describing the display, now we are going to share another very important part of special phones, whose name camera. On the camera section, Nokia added a triple 108 megapixel primary lens plus 16 megapixel wide sensor plus 5 megapixel depth sensor as front camera. For selfie, it has a single 64 megapixel camera. Regular camera features like this optical LED flash, panorama, HDR are added. Now you can easily pick up picture or selfie by using front camera. The battery is very important part of good smartphones. So the Nokia X 2021 used an 8300 mAh non-removable battery for its long-time service. After charging one time, you don't need to charge for at least 41 hours. The fast battery charging is coming special features for a flagship device. So this phone includes 41 watt quick battery charging features. The Nokia upcoming phones X 2021 come with 12 or 16 GB RAM and two variants, 256 and 512 GB ROM. Customer can easily exhibit internal storage by using an micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. On the operating system section, the smartphone added Android 11, which is automatically updated to Android 12. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform make this smartphone very fast. The sensor is important part of good smartphones. So Nokia's upcoming mobile use the latest sensor technology, and their name is fingerprint, under-display ultrasonic accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, and barometer. The official Nokia X 2021 price is not available for this upcoming smartphone. The official Nokia X 2021 price is not available. The Nokia X 2021 price will be started from $850. More important thing that I want to say, we do not guarantee the information that I shared with you is 100% accurate, because it's a leak about upcoming phones that we collect from different websites. The motive of our channel is always try to share upcoming mobile phones with you. Hope you like this information. See you in the next video. Bye bye.